You have heard it before. People tell you are so intimidating. Like it's a compliment. But is it really? Or is it just a way to sugarcoat something deeper? What you call a strong personality might not be strength at all. It could be fear, overcompensation, or the walls you have built to hide your vulnerabilities. Are you actually intimidating or just exhausting to deal with it? Let's break down these traits of so called strong personality and uncover what's really going on. Point number one, confidence or arrogance. Let's start with confidence. Everyone loves a confident person, right? But real confidence doesn't need to announce itself. If you are constantly dominating conversation, interrupting others, or always needing to prove you are the smartest in the room, that's not confidence, that's arrogance. Ask yourself, are people really in awe of you, or are they just tired of arguing with you? It doesn't demand the spotlight, it earns respect by showing competence and humility. If your confidence is rooted in always being right or needing to win, it's not strength, it's insecurity designed as arrogance. Point number two, setting boundaries or building walls. Everyone talks about setting boundaries, and yes, they are important. But there is a difference between protecting your peace and isolating yourself. When you refuse to let anyone in, when your boundaries turns into walls, you are not showing strength, you are showing fear. Here is the thing, real strength is about being open and vulnerable. It might hurt your feelings, but it's true. It's about letting people close enough to hurt you, but trusting yourself to handle it. My friend, walls keep everyone out, but they also trap you inside. If people find you intimidating because they can't connect with you, maybe it's time to ask if your boundaries protecting you or just keeping you alone. Point number three, independence or fear of dependence. You pride yourself on your independence. You don't need anyone, right? But let me ask you this, is that really independence or is it the fear of dependence? There is nothing wrong with being self-reliant, but my friend, life is built on relationships. When you refuse to ask for help, when you push people away, or when you insist on doing everything alone, it doesn't make you strong. It makes you isolated. True strength comes from knowing when to stand alone and when to lean on others. If you can't let people in, you are not independent. You are just scared of being vulnerable. Point number four, silence or emotional detachment. Let's talk about silence. You might think your comfort with silence makes you mysterious or confident, but often it's just emotional detachment. You are not intimidating because you are silent. You are intimidating because people can't read you. Let me tell you, shutting people out isn't strength, it's avoidance. True strength is being able to engage even when it's uncomfortable. It's about connecting, not distancing. If people find your silence unnerving, maybe it's because they sense you are hiding something, your emotions, your insecurities, or your fears. Point number five, handling criticism or fear of vulnerability. You say you can handle criticism, but can you really? Or do you brush it off, telling yourself that people are just jealous, ignorant, or wrong? True strength isn't about pretending criticism doesn't affect you. It's about using it to grow. Here is the truth. Dismissing feedback doesn't make you strong. It makes you blind to your own flaws. Strong people don't see criticism as a threat. They see it as an opportunity to improve. If you are constantly deflecting, you are not intimidating. You are just defensive. Point number six, adaptability or lack of roots. You think you are adaptable because you can embrace change, but are you really? Or are you just afraid of stability? Constantly moving from one thing to next, jumping from job to job or relationship to relationship, it doesn't make you strong. It makes you avoidant. Real strength isn't in how quickly you can let go. It's in how well you can stay and face the hard parts of your life. It's about planting roots even when the ground feels unstable. If you are always running, ask yourself, what are you running from? Tell me, are you really as strong as you think? Or are you just hiding behind a facade of strength to mask your insecurities? True power isn't about being untouchable. It's about being authentic. Strength isn't found in arrogance, aggression, or avoidance. It's found in connection, vulnerability, and growth. The world doesn't need your walls. It needs the real you. Think about it. My friend, if you find this video helpful, like and subscribe. Thank you.